I found this small CRT TV on the side of the road, and I don't know if it works or not, so this video we will test it and see. It's black and white, 12.5 centimeters, Jelly Bean TV, made in China, Digitor. I don't know if it's new, not used or not, because everything is here except the power supply. We have the manual. And this is the TV itself. It's very dirty. There's a sticky, oily thing here, so maybe it's been used in the kitchen, maybe, or something. It's analog TV, of course. We have a speaker here, and this side is empty, you can see. So before I test it, I will give it a clean. We'll take it apart, wash the body, and find a power supply and test it. The power supply should be 12 to 14 volts DC. Yep, a 5-inch. Model number G7108 BTV-705. No rubber feet. This is the serial number. Date code is not there. External antenna should be here, but it's not populated. And we have places for switches and other stuff. Okay, so let's take it apart, clean it, get rid of this stickiness, and see. Okay, let's disconnect the speaker, the antenna. We have to unscrew it from here. So that's what we have inside. CRT tubes are very dangerous, but this one I think it's okay because it's not being used for a while. And yeah, that's all, everything. I have just one big chip. The chip number is, if we can see it here, CD5151CP. And there is another chip here, which is, I believe, the audio chip, or maybe that one. There's another one there. It's hard to see. Okay, this is ready to be washed. Do I need to take this out as well? I think so. Okay, the moment of truth. This is 12 volt power adapter, 3 amps. Let's try it. It's working. Of course it's analog, no signal. Vertical hold. Looks like we're receiving some FM signal.